Well, here's a little update. First, there's that cute little dog, Toto. Toto. There's little Red. Hello, little Red. Hello, Toto. Hello, little Red. Good boys. Hello, sweetie. I'll pick you up in a minute. So yesterday, I was all excited. Gonna trade my chainsaw that I picked up for 75 bucks for a MIG-Pack, a Pro MIG 140, Lincoln Pro MIG 140. And the reason I really wanted it is because it's a real MIG. You can add gas and use it like a MIG welder instead of a shielded wire welder, which is what I have. And the one I have is about 21 years old, and you can't add MIG to it, you can't add gas to it. And anyway, this is the first time I've encountered this. The guy had it for sale, brand new in the box. And morning, babe. And the guy didn't show up. We agreed on a price and a trade, and he was all happy about a chainsaw. There was going to be some cash involved. You know, me giving him the chainsaw plus some cash, because it's a, you know, nearly $600 welder. And I went there and sat at the agreed upon place, the Bossier City Mall, for 2 freaking hours with him not answering texts. Finally called him, and I said, oh man, I'm still at work. Well, why'd you want to meet here at 2 if you're still at work? So I said, okay, well, I'm gonna stay here another hour and a half. He said, yeah, surely I'll be there by then. So 5 o'clock rolls around. That's 3 hours I've sat there, and he doesn't show up, and then he doesn't answer my text, then he doesn't answer my phone call. So today I had another guy want it, and I told him that if I didn't trade it, I'd let him know. And anyway, I met him this morning and sold it for $175. So I made $100 on that chainsaw. But here's the weird thing. The guy says, oh man, I wish I knew you wanted a welder. I just loaned my Pro MIG 140 to a friend of mine. He said, I'd have traded you outright. So what are the odds of that happening, you know? So anyway, he said he'd keep my number, and when his friend returns it to him, he'd let me know, and he'll take $175 for the welder. So we'll see. Anyway, I just thought that was an interesting update to this story. Thanks for watching. See you soon. All right, we are going to build a swing. I have no idea what it looks like. Three-person swing, or one person my size. All right, let me get this box cut open. Actually, I got to finish my coffee. I finish my coffee, cut that box open, throw away the instructions, and get to work. I'm scared. My wife hasn't drove in 3 or 4 years.
Hey, Brad.
Yeah?
Will you please keep a pretty close eye on Mama?
I will.
She's not right.
Okay. Well, I'm missing a clip. The clip I'm missing, I was telling you about this chainsaw, and I was showing you this really awesome chainsaw that I bought for 75 bucks. It was a steel 18-inch 025 chainsaw, and the 025, from what I understand, is the predecessor to the MS270. Really nice saw, in brand new condition. It's kind of an old saw. I believe they made these back in the 90s. So I found it for 75 bucks, and all I had to do was clean it up and put it back on Letgo for 200 bucks. And anyway, in the meantime, I had found a guy who had a welder, Pro MIG 140, brand new in the box. And we agreed to meet, and I was all excited because I really like that. I'm babysitting. She's 91, and she can't hear me. I have to yell at the top of my lungs for her to hear me. Anyway, that's Miss Pat, and she has this little dog that she likes to hear. Actually, she can't hear it, but it wiggles and moves, and she gets a kick out of. I guess I don't know why she's got dementia. Anyway, sweet old lady, but I got to babysit till my wife and Bev get back. There's been a death, actually. It's her husband that has been in a nursing home with cancer for a while. Passed away. And I'm here holding the fort down until they go to the funeral home and make arrangements. But anyway, the welder didn't work out. In a later clip, I will tell you more about it. I'm still kind of ticked off. And well, just about ready to... There's somebody at the back door? Somebody at the back door?
Buddy? No.
Okay. Anyway, one of the dogs is out, and she's letting me know that he's at the back door wanting in. I'll get it in a minute. Okay, I hear the barking. All right, that's my dog, Sonny. Come on, I tried to get you to come in. Toto, come on, Toto. One, 2 dogs enter, 1 dog leaves. All right, everybody's out. You want to go out? You going out? Are you down with me? Okay. There's Buddy. Buddy hates me. Hey, Buddy. He's probably going to bite me. He hasn't bit me yet, but I'm waiting for him. Buddy hates everybody. Okay, I'm going to get to assembling a swing out there. These clips are just going to be a mishmash of things that have gone on in the last couple of days. And today is Monday, and I'm hoping to get my 3rd blood test back from the doctor, and for them to tell me what level my calcitonin is, because I had a CAT scan, I had a biopsy, I had another CAT scan, I've had 3 blood tests. Now they're trying to determine whether I have thyroid cancer or not. So my biopsy was indeterminate, so they're sending it to a second lab, which I should have the results in about a week and a half. And today I should have my results from the blood test to see if my calcitonin level is still high. And I'm going to stop worrying about it. And in all honesty, if it is cancer, it's not that big a deal. 95% of the people who have this particular cancer survive it without any problems. They have their thyroid removed and go on about life. They have to get on a daily medication, but I can think of a whole lot worse things to happen, considering the life I've led. Drugs, booze, cigarettes. Did I mention drugs, booze, and cigarettes? And trucking and biking and fighting, and I've had a rough life, and I've enjoyed every stinking minute of it, I'll tell you that. And I wonder how many people can say this. I've enjoyed my life so much that if I die today, I'm okay. I've had a good life.
I wonder if this news is right or if they're just faking it.
It's all fake news, Miss Pat.
Right.
It's all fake news. Yeah, she's with it. I have no idea why they find this appealing.
It's fun. This is the funnest thing I've ever done.
That's a whole lot of dog. I'll tell you what.
You have a dog collar.
I'm a dog collar, yeah. God, you guys just step all over me.